In this video, we're going to look at an example of finding an equation of a plane. So we're given the point 1, 2, 3, and we're given the line x equals 3t, y equals 1 plus t, and z equals 2 minus t. And I want to find the equation of the plane that contains that point and that line. So ordinarily, we need to find the normal direction for the plane by taking a cross product. In order to take a cross product, I need two vectors, which I don't have here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find 2 points on the line so that I get 3 points in my plane. Once I have the 3 points in my plane, I can choose one of them kind of as my base point, and then the other two as terminal points to create two vectors, and then find the cross product of the two vectors that I created. So I can find two additional points in the plane pretty straightforwardly just by plugging in a couple of values for t. I can plug in 0 for t to get the point 0, 1, 2, and I can plug in 1 for t to get the point 3, 2, 1. So now I can use the point 0, 1, 2 kind of as a base point, and my point 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, 1 as my other terminal points to find two vectors. So if I do terminal minus initial, do the 1, 2, 3 minus the 0, 1, 2, I get 1, 1, 1. If I do 3, 2, 1 minus the 0, 1, 2, I get 3, 1, negative 1, and of course that makes sense because that's exactly the same as the direction vector on the line. But in particular, I needed to have two vectors in my plane that aren't parallel to one another. All right, so now that I've got those two vectors that are parallel to the plane, I can take their cross product and that'll give me the normal direction. So here's our determinant that we use to find the cross product of the two vectors. Here's our expansion along the first row of that matrix. And here is the cross product. So now I can use -2 for -2 for my direction vectors. And then I can use any of the points that I want. I'll use the point 1, 2, 3 here. That was the given point. So then the equation of the plane is -2 times x minus 1 plus 4 times y minus 2 minus 2 times z minus 3 equals 0. Or if we multiply everything out there, we'll get x minus 2y plus z equals 0.